everybody, it's Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and one of our subscribers asked if we can make a video on the best time to evict your tenant. How do you know when the time's right? And here it is, folks. It's nice and simple. As soon as possible. That's the best time, okay? The longer that you delay and give that tenant more time, the cheaper it becomes for them to move as opposed to paying you. Now think about that. If they owe you 1 month's rent and you file that case right away, you'll get in court, you'll get the money, or you'll get a payment plan perhaps. Problem solved. However, if you wait 2 and 3 or even 4 months, now 4 months rent versus first and security at a new apartment, what are they going to choose? They're going to move to the new apartment because it's cheaper, and that's because you waited. So you want to file that case as soon as possible. You want to get the money at court or get them on some type of payment plan. That's your best chance. That's your best opportunity for success. Waiting will only cost you more money, okay? So once again, this is Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management, your property managed.